Hi, I'm Kim Carter with Discovery Children's Museum, and today we're highlighting women in STEM. Dance is seen as an art form or a form of expression, but did you know that there's a little bit of science incorporated into dance as well? Today we'll be meeting Yamilée Toussaint Beach, a STEM educator and entrepreneur who found an awesome way to make the worlds of science and dance collide.
My name is Yamilée Toussaint Beach, and I'm a dance technologist, which means I use technology to make dance performances more interesting and more exciting. And because of that, I founded and lead an organization called STEM from Dance. STEM from Dance is a nonprofit organization, and we do programs where we get girls interested in the STEM fields through these dance performances that they make that incorporate technology. So that can be sneakers that light up, where they get to make the circuit, they get to wire, solder, program, and make a dance routine that highlights these sneakers that they've made. Or it could be a projection where they design these graphics with computer programming that are projected on a stage, and they get to dance alongside with their animations. The combination of dance and STEM allows you to see that you don't have to choose either path. You can make these really exciting things that wouldn't exist if you didn't bring these two worlds together. We show our girls that you can be a dancer and you can be a technologist, and that it's the creative aspect of STEM that is really, really cool. Science is creative, and that to me is what makes it so exciting, that I could take this tool that I have with my engineering knowledge and I could use that to create my wildest dreams and have those come to life. Our goal is to spark the creativity and the curiosity of our girls so that whatever idea they have, whether it be simple or wild, they can create it. Like one time, girls wanted to make these face masks that lit up, and we helped them to do it, and they had a really awesome performance. It was interesting for them to see that their bodies can control something digital, something that was on the stage, and how much that made their performance come to life. The work that we're doing is so important to this world because we need more girls who are diverse, more girls of color, to be in rooms where we're creating the next innovation. And it all starts with just being equipped with that belief that, like, yes, I can learn engineering. Even if it's hard, I can do it. And it could be fun. It could be something that you can do while you're dancing or whatever it is that really piques your interest. And that use of creativity and passion, like, that's what can spark that sense of possibility. And what we want to see are girls who are empowered, who are confident, and who think that they can be the next innovator of these inventions that are so important. If we support a woman in STEM, then she could change the world.
Have you ever seen any performances that incorporate technology? Well, here at the Reisman Family Theater, our puppet shows incorporate sound technology and choreography. Our puppet shows are performed here daily at 4 o'clock. Stop by and check it out sometime.